Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in our tech news today, we have Samsung that has announced the new flagship series of smartphones that will be the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra, of course. And this is interesting in one way. I got a S22 Ultra, and I'll be very honest, I don't see any incentive or reasons to get the new ones. They are more powerful, cameras are more powerful, and more memory, things like that. And it's nice. I mean, okay, but there's nothing exciting that you're like, I absolutely need this. And I think smartphones have come to a point where the exciting new features aren't happening very often. One little note in here is that it will have a AI neural processing included in it. It's capable of, for example, translating voice and text messages live in real time, which is kind of nice, without the use of any external apps or third-party apps for it. It will, of course, have all that AI processing done for all sorts of things, from the pictures to the photos to text writing and so on. But what is the most interesting, and I think this is where everybody should meet this requirement, we talk about how security updates are important. And one of the biggest problems with the security updates in smartphones is how companies abandon the security updates extremely quickly. And what happens at some point is that you get to a phone that people love, they use it, it works, but they don't want necessarily to upgrade it. I mean, these things are expensive, and yet they are getting into a time where security is a problem because the operating system isn't updated anymore. Now, this new series of S24, Samsung promises 7 years of updates, including operating system updates. It comes out with Android 14, and by the end, when it's going to be over, it'll be on Android 21. This is very, very interesting. I hope that other companies are taking note of this. And I think it's time for smartphone makers to do this also. Stop thinking about just selling phones. Start thinking about the security also of your users. I would, probably buy a phone just because a company supports it much longer than anything else. So even though I'm not going to change my good old S22 Ultra right now, I do think this is probably the biggest announcement of everything they've done with the phones, is simply the fact that 7 years of updates. I mean, everybody should do this, including iPhones. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.